As we move forward in this ceremony, let us take a moment to bow our heads in reverence to lead us in the
Despite challenges, we are grateful for our teachers, parents, and everyone who supported us along the way. Because of them, we stand here today, ready to graduate and face a new chapter in our lives.
All the requirements prescribed by the Department of Education under the enhanced K-12 curriculum, I, Ariel M. Caberto, Principal of Senior High School Department, hereby recommend these candidates for graduation. They now await your confirmation, sir.
Hello, good evening everyone. To our dear students, proud parents, dedicated teachers, and members of our school community, by the virtue of the authority vested in me as the President of the Board of Trustees of St. Vincent School Foundation Incorporated, and upon the recommend accept the candidates for graduation. Having fulfilled all the requirements for senior high school education, I hereby confirm your graduation class of 2026. As such, you are now entitled to receive your diplomas with all the rights and privileges pertaining thereto. We are all very proud of you. Keep doing your best as you continue to strive in your academic journey or professional career. Congratulations to all of you graduates.
Thank you, Mr. Ariel M. Caberto and Mr. Vicente V. Fontanilla. And once again, congratulations, class of 2026. Next, we move to a very special moment. One of our brightest graduates will now share a message for their fellow graduates as they embark on their next journey. You may now all be seated.
It is a privilege to introduce a graduate with highest honors. She has demonstrated Boy Scout of the Philippines, Assistant Senior Crew Leader. 33 Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree Participant. Editorial Board Photojournalist. Drum and Lyre Corps Member. Private School Press Conference 2025 Journalism English Participant. Conduct Award Graduate. To present the awards of Grade 12 Aristotle, may I call on
May we kindly request every student to please
go back to your respective seats. And finally, we recognize our graduates under the Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics stream, STEM. May we call on BOT President Mr. Vicente V. Pontanilla, our senior high school focal person, Miss Casey Joy Ancheta, to do the honors of awarding diplomas and recognitions to the following STEM graduates. Aristotle, Curie, Einstein, Fleming, and Gallery. To present the awardees of grade 12 Aristotle, may we call on Miss Ashley May A. Lugasky.
The following are the students who excel and have rendered greatly in talent in terms of academics, sports, humanities, journalism, and performing arts. They have exemplified honor and excellence, which are hallmarks of a true Vincentian. With great honor, I present to you the awardees of grade 12 Aristotle, starting with Aguilar Jr. Arnold V. Bayanihan Club member, Sports Club member, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Baldovi Axel C. Bayanihan Club member, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Bautista Christian L. Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Paseria Mark Gwen B. With high honors, Private Schools Press Conference 2025 News Writing Filipino participant, Editorial Board Member News Writer, Editorial Board Member Layout Artist, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Bayanihan Club President, Red Cross Youth Council Member, Peer Facilitator Club Member, Drum and Light Board Member Lyre, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, graduate. Cruz Sean Martin R. with high honors, Division Schools Press Conference 2025 Photojournalism Qualifier, Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Photojournalism Filipino 8th placer, Editorial Board Member Head Photojournalist, Editorial Board Member Graphic Designer, Most Dedicated Journalist Awardee, Red Cross Youth Council Vice President, Sports Club Member, Bayanihan Club Member, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, graduate. Fernandez John Lawrence R. Bayanihan Club Member, Sports Club Member, Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Finance Officer, Service Awardee, Red Cross Youth Council Member, Bayanihan Club Protocol Officer, Supreme Loyalty Awardee, graduate. Gutierrez Jr. Eduardo C. Bayanihan Club member, Musiqueros and Lee Club member, Boy Scout of the Philippines member, Asia Pacific Regional Scout Jamboree participant, Drum and Lark Corporal Boys Gold medalist, participant in Inter-High School Children's Competition 2026 first runner-up, SPSFI Mike C81 Lieutenant Colonel Deputy Corps Commander, Service Awardee, Sports Club Secretary, Artist Circle Club member, Red Cross Youth Council member, Loyalty Awardee, Conduct Awardee, graduate. Mabangro Lance Hayden C. with honors. Private Schools Press Conference 2025 Radio Broadcasting Filipino participant, Bayanihan Club Sport.